Okay, so I just have a ratchet here. At the end I have a 6mm head that will fit into the screw on your Aeron chair. So all we want to do is use the ratchet or any kind of tool to break free the bolt initially. We just want to break that initial Loctite on it to break it free, and then we can go back with an impact or a drill or any kind of hand tool. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to get the ratchet in there and get a nice solid connection, push it in there as far as you can. Okay, so it's going to look like that. We're just going to make sure we hold the ratchet in. We're just going to give a solid push down on it, making sure we don't strip out the bolt or anything. So we're just going to push on the ratchet until we kind of hear a click or a sound, and then we just know that the bolt is free. So now I can spin it freely. Once I get the initial, I'll do it again on the other side. Just really quick. We got two here. Why not? So I'm going to get good solid connection in there, and just keep it in there, and just break it free.